How to transfer your Viber chat history from Android to iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily transfer your Viber chat history from Android device to iOS. First thing first, you want to go over to your Viber application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you want to go over to the More section at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, basically go over to the settings menu down below, just tap on it, and then you want to go to the account section. From there, go to Viber Backup. Now, if you haven't already, you just need to connect your Google account, so just tap on it and connect a Google account. It's going to back up all of your chat to that particular Google account. Once the backup is complete, you should be able to restore it over to your iPhone. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.